The Association of Negros Producers celebrated its 36th Negros Trade Fair 2022 in Manila after a 2-year hiatus due to the pandemic. This is the longest running provincial trade fair in Manila since 1985. The venue of the Negros Trade Fair is in Glorietta. Anp's president is Ardeen Infante. Infante said that when the pandemic happened and stopped everything, Anp lost its showroom and office, most of its staff, and even some of its members. Anp was born during the sugar crisis in Negros to survive the tragic fate of the monocropped industry in the province. A group of 15 Negrense women began what was then known as the House of Negros Foundation. The foundation helped extensively to uplifting the plight of more than 150,000 displaced workers from the sugar crisis.